Operator precedence parser. What is it? We can say simply only for operator grammar, only for operator grammar we will apply operator precedence parser. Only for operator grammar we will apply operator precedence parser. Then what is operator grammar? We can say operator grammar may be ambiguous or may not be. May be ambiguous or may not be. So what is the proper definition of operator grammar? Let's see. A grammar G is said to be operator grammar if it does not contain number one, what is null production, and number two, two adjacent variables on the right hand side of the production. So a grammar is an operator grammar if it does not contain null production and two adjacent variable on the right hand side of the production. So let's take some example to understand what is it exactly. So example, suppose we are taking E tends to E plus E multiplication E ID. So this is operator grammar. This is operator grammar, but it is ambiguous because left factoring is there. It is ambiguous. Now take another example. Suppose E tends to E plus T oblique T, T tends to T star F, and F tends to ID. This is also operator grammar because no null production, and in between operator is also there. So this is also operator grammar, but is this unambiguous. It is ambiguous because of left factoring, but there is no left factoring, so this is unambiguous. So these are the examples of operator grammar. Let's take another example. S tends to AB, A tends to A, B tends to B. So this is not operator grammar. This is not operator grammar. Why? Because second condition is there, two adjacent variable on the right hand side of the production. Two adjacent variable of the right hand side of the production. This is not operator grammar. Let's take another example also. Suppose S tends to A plus B, A tends to A, B tends to B oblique epsilon. This is also not operator grammar. This is also not operator grammar because epsilon, or we can say null production, is there. So this is all about operator, precedence, parser, and how we can identify that the grammar is operator grammar or not.